been one of those days, friends, so I'm in the mood to make a notebook. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we start with a composition notebook, and I printed these graphics I made in Canva on white shipping labels. It's a full sheet shipping label. You're also going to need 2 of the plain ones if you want to cover the inside. Now I cut those 2 inside ones down to 9.5 by 7.5. And let's put it together. So we're going to put the front one on, and so I pull it has like a convenience strip where you pull that off, and it's so that you can place it properly. I do that, and then I'm using the ruler just as a flat surface to push across so that we can adhere this label to our notebook. The key to these labels, by the way, is it has to be a blockout. If it's not blackout, you're going to see the black and white. All right, so then I flip it over and I just curl the corners in like this, like that, easy peasy, right? And then all I'm going to do is then fold in each side. So we have this one, fold it in, adhere it. Go to the next side, fold it in, adhere it. Easy peasy. Like I've done this so many times, I say easy peasy, but it may not be so easy for you the first time, and that's okay. I always say do some practice ones first, but look at this. Quit it, right? Oh. And then we're going to do the same song, second verse. We're going to do the same thing on the back. This particular notebook, I'll be honest with you, sometimes I need a reminder of who I am in God. And so Proverbs, and I have been doing a study on the Proverbs 31 woman. And one of the parts in that is that she's precious, more precious than rubies. So that's where this came from. Anyways, so again, we're going to do the same process we did with the front. We're going to curl, pull in the corners and adhere it to the inside. Now, again, if you don't want to cover the inside covers like that, all that information, don't. But I do. So I'm using a corner edge rounder. You don't have to do that. I got that, by the way, from Michael's, and it is one of the best things I've ever gotten. And it's the same process as it was on the front. We, adhere it to the front or to the inside, and then I smooth it out. Now here's where it gets really fun. I have some cotton ribbon and I cut it to about 2 inches longer than the width of the book. Okay. And then I take a piece of duct tape. This is white duct tape. I got it at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to duct tape that ribbon onto the inside of the back of the cover. Right? Then we're going to take our other piece that we had cut earlier. Again, I rounded my edges. You don't have to do that to yours. And we're going to adhere that just like we did to the front. We're going to adhere that to the inside. These are listen, I'm going to tell you right now, making notebooks is one of my favorite things to do. Like when I'm having a blah day, I want to make a notebook. It just makes me feel good. Paper, for some reason, makes me happy. But look at how fun. Now we have a bookmark for our notebook. Are you kidding me? Like, quit it, right? And it's got a super cool reminder of who I am in him. Come on. Like, seriously? And yes, friends, stay tuned. I'll teach you how to make the pens to match. Yay! All right. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.